All right, good morning, traders. Today is October 9th, 2023. My name is John Carrigan. I moderate the BYOB trading room. My morning SPY pivot is 425.40, which represents the minor support on the hourly chart of the SPY. Above it, I'm a bull. Below it, I'm a bear. Diamond Dow, SPY, and IWM, aka Russell 2000, remain in daily downtrends, while QQQ, that's the NASDAQ, and the FNGU have started new daily uptrends with higher lows and higher highs on their daily charts. USO pulled back to minor support. We're going to watch that to see if it's going to bounce here at the minor support level. UNG is trying to break through the 750 ceiling, which has contained price under it for about 6 months now. Silver and gold have initiated new downtrends on their daily charts with lower highs and lower lows. US dollar seems to be consolidating here at the 106 level. All right, let's go take a look at some charts. Actually, let's just go now. We'll look at the economic calendar after. All right, so let's get this open and find a nice one. So here's our daily candle of the SPY yesterday. Okay, notice we got a little bit lower low and a much higher high. So nice breakout. So if we look at the hourly chart, you can see where I get my pivot from. Okay, see right across here, right there. See where the tops of those tails? That's minor support. So we break minor support, then of course we're looking to come back down here and challenge the low of the year. So we'll see what happens. But head and shoulders neckline, that's, let's see where the head and shoulders neckline is this morning. 428.03. Actually, yeah. About 428.20. So we'll see how that works out. But anyways, my SPY pivot, 425.40. Below it, I'm a bear. Above it, I'm going to remain a bull. You know, up here, we put on some bear call credit spreads. I sent out alerts for that. Probably going to close some right into the open. If they start running price up. And I'll look to reload it later on. So there's SPY. Nice big move out. So let's look at the move. All right, that's an igniting bar. All right, so we could have a possible MMRP. Now, you would expect follow through. Notice that's like a reversal in price as price was coming down. So it's possible we could start an MMRP, but notice price is not pausing up here. It's pulled all the way back to the minor support. Well, we just broke through resistance right here, so this would be the minor support. So we're looking to see what it's going to do at this minor support. If minor support's going to hold it, or if it's going to have some follow through with the SPY this morning. So we'll see what happens at the 425.40 level. So there's the SPY. So normally you get a big igniting bar. You're looking for follow through. If it doesn't follow through, it's a good possibility you could see a rollover to the downside. So we'll see what happens here with SPY. Just got to look for that 425.40 to hold. QQQ. Take a look at QQQ, same thing, higher low, higher high. Actually, this is better than the SPY because it had a higher low. So if we look at this on the daily chart, we have this is the low, higher low, and now this is the high, now we have a higher high. So QQQ started a new daily uptrend right here. So we'll see if they can hang on to that this morning or this week. So there's QQQ looking nice. And let's look at this in regards to the pullback. And we'll put the quad lines in. So here's QQQ right at the midpoint. Gapping down to the minor support, which is right through here. So we'll see how it reacts to the minor support right through here. QQQ. FNGU. Put the quad lines in, do the same thing. And that was not supposed to move. All right, so here's FNGU, pull back to the midpoint, and pulling back to minor support. So we'll see what happens here with FNGU. Again, we got higher lows and a higher high. Here's the last high. Here's the new high. So we've got higher lows and higher highs. FNGU starts a new daily uptrend. We'll see if they can hang on to that. And let's take a look at, we'll go back to SPY. Notice SPY has still not started a new daily uptrend. It still has lower highs and lower lows. So nothing to report here yet on SPY. Take a look at IWM. It's the Russell 2000. Still got lower highs and lower lows. Nothing's changed yet. So IWM still in a daily downtrend. Nice candle yesterday, challenging the T-line, but still has not made it up over the T-line. Nice to see price close over the T-line. Like to see price come back and challenge this neckline back here. Let's take a look at Diamond Dow. Here's Diamond Dow. Nice candle yesterday. Looking for follow through today. Not sure if we're going to get it. Here's the neckline for Diamond Dow. Like to see Diamond Dow challenge this neckline, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. You can see they have they pierced and closed over the T-line on Friday, but can't quite hold it this morning. We'll see what happens. Now let's take a look at SMH. SMH starting a new daily uptrend with higher lows and higher highs. Kind of bull flagging up over the midpoint here. Nice move for SMH. Nice. Like to see it get back up over this uptrend line. IYT. IYT still in a daily downtrend with lower highs and lower lows. And another lower high and a lower low. So nothing bullish in transports yet. XLF. XLF putting in a lower high and a lower low. Another lower high and a lower low. XLF currently in a 15-minute uptrend right through here with lower highs, with higher highs and higher lows. All right, we'll see what happens now when it pulls back to this minor support area. But that's all there is. In the daily chart, we still got lower highs and lower lows. So we got a 15-minute uptrend in a daily downtrend for XLF. Now let's go take a look at our indicators. Now here's T2122 coming out of the oversold zone on Friday into the sell side, into the bear side chop zone. So not quite making it into the buy zone yet. Not spending a whole lot of time in the buy zone recently. We had a brief window in the end of August where we spent a few days in the buy zone. But all in all, we've spent a whole lot more time in the sell zone than we have in the buy zone. So there's T2122. It's a 15-minute chart of the T2122. T2123. Finally got some green trend indicator balls. Here's T2123. So here's a price action. Green throughout the rest of the day. Very bullish going into the end of the day on Friday. On the 3-bar chart, still got some space between the price action and the trend indicator. For the FNGU indicator, we had a green day. All in all, you can see we started out with a little bit of red, a little bit of selling, a little gap down, and then that blast off into the highs of the day. up there on FNGU. Now we're getting a pullback. Nice to see this. Like to see a minor support hold. See this triple crown over here. 1, 2, 3. Like to see that hold right over that level right there. 157.33. Like to see FNGU hold. So now let's take a look at US dollar index. So here's the US dollar. Nice run up since July. Non-stop. Nice run up. Now let's do a little consolidation here at the 106 level. Still bullish. Higher lows, higher highs. Economic calendar. Got a Fed speaker at 9 o'clock. Tomorrow, a couple more Fed speakers in the afternoon and one in the morning. And for Wednesday, PPI final demand and FOMC minutes at 2 p.m. So the big news comes out 2 p.m. on Wednesday. And then right after the minutes there, we get the CPI at 8:30 on Thursday morning. So that'll be the big one right there. CPI and the FOMC minutes Wednesday and Thursday. Earnings calendar for today. Not much going on. $540 million for Applied Digital. Not much happening there. PepsiCo. $220 billion. That should have an impact on retail sales. So we'll see what happens tomorrow with Pepsi early in the morning. All right, traders, that's it for me. I'm going to take questions in the room. And I'll see everybody at 4 p.m. where we'll do the market wrap-up video. Just want to point out we've got some calls. I alerted people to calls yesterday, Friday, right here. I put on some SPY calls, and they expire today at 4 p.m. So I'll be looking to take profit of those right into the open and then look to reload them at the high of day. So there's our SPY bear call credit spread that does expire today. So just letting you know, I'm taking profit right now. In case I don't alert you that I took profit, I'll be taking some profit on those first thing in the morning. All right, that's it right now. We'll take questions if you have any questions. Other than that, I'm going to render the video and get it posted.